Assalamu alaikum, I'm Munar from Morocco and you're watching Pakistani reactions. After reacting to the karate combat of Shahzeb Rind and Rana Singh, comments में suggestions आए थे कि बाकी fights पर भी reaction हो, तो आज reaction होने वाली है पवन गुप्ता versus रिजवान अली इंडिया versus पाकिस्तान कराटे combat के ऊपर. सो आइए देखते हैं. Let's start the video. 1, 2, 3. ये है पवन गुप्ता.
It's time for the battle between India and Pakistan. Fighting out of the blue corner, PAWAN GUPTA.
So PAWAN GUPTA, representing India, makes his way to the pit, looking to get his country off on a good start tonight.
चक दे इंडिया का गाना चल रहा है और ये है पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर रिजवान.
Now begins the blood feud, boys. Here we go. A lot of emotion here.
Oh yeah, big rivalry.
It's even more than that.
Yeah, I mean, Rizwan Ali representing Pakistan. And obviously, as you can tell, two very loud, supportive fan bases in the arena here tonight. A centuries-long struggle between these two countries, very often pushed to the cricket field. Tonight, pushed to the depths of the pit. PAWAN GUPTA, the underdog coming into this one. As you can see, just 28% of our token holders in his corner tonight.
I think the Pakistanis are favored on all of the fights, correct?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
And that,
including Shahzeb Rind,
72%.
King Khan.
ये क्या मतलब है? 72% और गुप्ता का 26%. मतलब लोगों ने वोट किया है कि पाकिस्तानी फाइटर जीतेगा. क्या था वो समझ में नहीं आया.
well, the overall experience edge is going to go to PAWAN GUPTA. 30 years of professional competition and training. But the youthful energy going to the 25-year-old of the undefeated pro fighter, Rizwan Ali from Pakistan. He's going to bring a height advantage in as well, so look for him to stay on the outside and use that.
Oh, yeah, that works. He said take your odds and shove them.
Quick start to this one.
Right.
Gupta making himself heard from the opening bout.
That's how you started off for your country.
That was a nice left hook. Yeah, and he faked a level change, and then he went up with a left hook. It was beautiful.
Fast snap kick comes out from that lead leg. Big uppercuts on the inside. Lands again.
Right, let go.
Dude, India's not having the slander tonight.
Big power. Oh, he got stunned.
He's wobbled.
Oh yeah, he got stunned.
Yeah, he's done. He's dazed, for sure.
Yeah, but he ties up, slows it down, scores a takedown as well.
And that's extremely dangerous what he did, because when you get dazed, it's either you come in or you go out. You don't want to get into an exchange. he was stunned and he got into an exchange. He doesn't care. So shows a lot of courage, but I don't know if it's the right thing to do.
Oh, right on the end.
I think
of
he's
that
still
pole.
stunned. I think he's still.
Oh, he's done. It's over.
Wow! With a sequence of right hands straight to the chin.
Wow. They both stun each other.
1-0 Pakistan.
Wow. Yeah, 1-0. It start off very well for a Gupta, but then when he got clipped the first time, he couldn't recuperate.
Yeah, he was left there as a stationary target for a good few seconds. And that was all the invitation that Rizwan Ali needed.
Yeah, Ali kept his composure, even if when he got stunned, he kept his composure, was able to get back, and
just like that, Pakistan is in the bug, as they say.
Still right.
As they say.
Just sitting down. KO. KO. KO, yeah. Okay.
Well, let's go ahead and get a couple of words with President Awesome. Asim, 1-0 Pakistan. What are your thoughts on that?
That was crazy.
Well, a very happy Rizwan Ali.
Good to meet you, bro.
I don't think he fully recuperates still. I see in his eyes he's still dizzy.
Yeah, well,
he
got hit.
In the first battle between India and Pakistan, winning by KO from Pakistan, Rizwan Ali.
Zabardast.
Rizwan Ali, victorious winner by decisive knockout.
Thanks for watching. I'm Boss Rutan, and if you like what you just saw, do not forget to subscribe. Awesome.
So ये था पवन गुप्ता वर्सेस रिजवान अली की फाइट, जिसमें पाकिस्तानी रिजवान अली ने जीता था। और शुरू में पवन गुप्ता जो है वो अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा था, लेकिन बाद में जो है वो जीत रिजवान अली की हुई है। सो पहले मैच के मुकाबले में जो हमने देखा था शानजेब रिंड और राणा सिंह का जो मैच देखा था, उसके मुकाबले में तो इस मैच में इंडियन फाइटर ने काफ़ी अच्छा खेला था। शुरू में वो पहले मैच में राणा सिंह ने तो बिल्कुल भी जो है वो कुछ नहीं किया, वो बस मार खा रहा था मुसलसल। इसमें फिर भी जो पवन गुप्ता है उसने शुरू में अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, लेकिन जीत रिजवान अली को हुई है। सो पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद का नारा लगा दिया है और पाकिस्तानी झंडा लहराया है और जीत पाकिस्तानी फाइटर की हुई। ये जो कराटे कॉम्बैट है, ये मेरे ख्याल से कोई नया कॉन्सेप्ट उन्होंने शुरू किया है और ज़्यादा लंबा मैच नहीं होता और पहली दफ़ा मुझे इस तरह की फ़ाइट्स देखने को मिली है। कुछ लोग कमेंट्स में बोल रहे कि ये किक बॉक्सिंग है, तो किक बॉक्सिंग है तो उसके नाम से क्यों नहीं बुला रहे, क्यों कराटे कॉम्बैट का नाम इसको दिया है, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा। अगर आपको समझ में आया तो कमेंट्स में लाजमी बताइएगा। सो ये दूसरा मैच है जिसमें पाकिस्तान ने इंडिया को हरा दिया। तीसरा मैच भी है जिसका लिंक मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है, अगर आपके पास है तो कमेंट्स में लाजमी शेयर कीजिएगा। सो ये थी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है कि आप सबको पसंद आए होगी। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फी अमानिल्लाह।